Hello, everybody, and welcome to this week's weekly market snapshot for the Chicagoland real estate market. So, we are going to go over the data that has been going on for the week ending January 17th, 2023. So, let's dive into the numbers. So, in terms of closed transactions, we had 1,305 homes close the previous week. That is up significantly from that first week where we only had 881 closings. So, a good sign that the new year is starting to pick up with more activity. We are still down from a year ago this time, but it is a great sign that we're showing more overall activity here. Next is the big one here where we have listings under contract. So this is showing us that there were 2,451 homes that went under contract last week. That is the single largest week over week increase since October of 2022. So another great sign. And that was a 62% increase from last week's data. So we are seeing more properties go under contract. And this is about the time where activity starts picking up with the real estate market. A lot of people are confused that and think that the spring market starts later, but the spring market definitely starts around the second, third week of January is when real estate activity picks back up. And we can see that based on these numbers here. Next, new listings hitting the market. This is an encouraging sign for those of you buyers that have been looking on the market and seeing that there's not a lot of inventory. There were 4,262 new homes hitting the market last week. That is a great sign because, as you know, inventory has been quite low, and that's been on par with what we saw a year ago at this time. Now, active homes currently on the market, we are still historically low here with 34,699 homes currently on the market for sale, but we are seeing a slight trend upwards. Whereas on the first week of the year, we had less than 34,000 homes. So we are starting to see a gradual increase, but still significantly down from last year in the summer where there was 49,000 homes on the market. And so earlier in that year, we saw as many as close to 60,000 homes on the market. So it's an encouraging sign that we're seeing more activity in terms of homes getting listed for sale. Open houses are also up. So if you are somebody that likes to go check out open houses, more open houses are becoming available for the weekends. And lastly, sold prices. So the median sold price for the previous week was $260,000. That is down from a year ago at this time where it was 270,000, but not a significant drop. Again, we're going to see some fluctuations on those numbers based upon what closes in that particular week. But the first week of the year, we had 255. Last week, it was 261,000. And this week, we're at 260,000. And as you can see, year over year, we're pretty stable. Maybe slight drop-offs here or there, but that is more week dependent. Whereas we can see the average sale price this year was 348,000, whereas a year ago at this time it was 338. So all of the people that are saying that the market is crashing we can see based upon the numbers and the data, which is what I like to use, it's showing that we're still very stable. And a lot of those reasons is because the low inventory and the still a lot of qualified buyers that are on the market, but also an encouraging sign that we're seeing interest rates coming down and more homes on the market for sale. So I hope that you guys found that helpful. If you would like more information like this, but in email form once a week, we also send out a deal of the week and some other great information for our clients. You can join our VIP email list, and I'll leave the link below in the comments. So please, if you want to join our email list, we'd be happy to send you valuable information like this, along with what's going on with interest rates and our deal of the week, where we provide you with either homes that are not yet on the market or a great investment opportunity for some of you that are looking to invest in real estate. So again, sign up for that VIP email with the link below in the comments. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me, direct message me, email me, however you would like to get in contact with me, and I'll make sure that we connect right away. And again, this is a macro picture of what is going on in the market. But if you would like detailed information about your neighborhood or what's going on in your subdivision or your neighbor's house, just message me and we'll make sure that we get you that free analysis right away. So thanks so much for watching, guys. We will see you next week. Have a fabulous rest.